Welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making goulash. Okay, I'm going to start by frying some hamburger. Yeah, I'm going to put in a whole green pepper here, or bell pepper, and a half of a large onion. Okay, I'm going to put it in half of this big onion. Okay, I'm putting in a half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm going to put this water on the boil for the macaroni, and I'm going to put like 2 tablespoons of salt in it. And I've got it like 3/4 full. And stir up the salt. Okay, we're just going to drain all the grease off. A while. Okay, I've got the large can of tomato sauce I'm going to put in. And I'm going to fill this can up with water and put it in. Then this large can of diced tomatoes. These are fire roasted. It's the ones I bought. Whatever Walmart happens to have. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Now I have put 3 and it burned everybody up. So I went to 2 and it partially burned everybody up. So we're doing 1 tonight. I'm going to heap it up a little. And then a tablespoon of Worcestershire. 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. All that good. You can put in 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, but I'm not going to this time, and I'm going to see how it does without it because of the hotness. The water's at a full boil now, so I'm going to put in 2 cups of macaroni. After it comes to a full boil again, then cook it about 12 minutes and start just checking it to see how it tastes. All the water off. Going to put the macaroni in there with the meat mixture. Let it simmer 5 to 10 minutes and be ready.
Let's try that again. Mama.
I used to worry about getting it fine, but anymore I like it to be kind of big. You taste it better. Am I still on camera? Oh. I thought it was off.
No, that's why I'm holding the camera here.
I thought you were just getting ready.
Nope.
You know I have a good little girl here producing.